Meaning of fragmentary.
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 Fragmentary. The term fragmentary refers to something that is incomplete or made up of many disconnected parts. It suggests a lack of cohesion, continuity, or wholeness. When applied to a text, it implies that the text is incomplete or missing important pieces of information. In the context of archaeology, it might refer to artifacts or structures that have been broken into pieces and are difficult to reconstruct. Overall, fragmentary denotes something that is scattered and lacks unity, making it difficult to understand or interpret without additional context or information.